Well, this is not ideal. Alright, let me just quickly explain what the deal is for today, what the plan is. It's my only day off work, and the car needs an alignment really bad, and I made an appointment at 𝙨𝙧𝙚𝙚, crossing my fingers that they can actually give the car an alignment. Only problem is, it's raining, and it's gonna continue to rain, and the alignment is so bad on the car, I'm like scared to drive it, and it has crazy camber, and it's like my first real drive with everything installed in the car. So let's just hope everything goes really good. There's fucking water on this lens. So anyways, that's the plan. This is a sight to be seen. Let's just hope this ain't gonna leak. Alright, let's place bets. How long is it gonna take to suck? Oh, a little bit of stuttering. Just a bit. Yeah, so I'm really banking that 𝙨𝙯𝙚 can get this done. I talked to them on the phone, and of course, the technician or the secretary had no idea what I was talking about when I said, can you align my low car with negative modified camber? Because a lot of shops won't even touch it because they don't want to touch modified parts, in which, in this case, they don't really have to. They don't need to fuck with the camber. The camber can be a little wonky. That's not my concern. I just need the car to drive straight. I just hope they can get that done because it's really a far drive for me, because I live in such a small town. The closest place that is even rumored to do low cars is about 30 minutes away. And the most frustrating part of it all is that today it's just not good. The weather's good. It's sunny, but it's raining. So I also have to fix my blinker before I leave. So we're running late, but that's what it is. Let's see how this turns out. Ah yes, this is what it's like owning a BMW. Just check and make sure we fixed it. Hey, we got a winner. Okay, I have no idea how violent this is on camera, but that's what we're working with. That's also what we're working with. This is not good at all. We're going 60, and I literally feel like I'm gonna fucking die. So, like, dude's hauling. Anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down so I don't crash. This is actually a horrible experience. But one thing I will say is, aside from the ridiculous wheel shake, I think it's just shit out of alignment, like super bad. But other than that, like, the car rides great. So that's good. One thing to look forward to. I'm just gonna continue at 70, risking my life. So I'll catch up with you guys when I'm there. All right, so I'm here at Walmart. I just dropped my car off at 𝙨𝙯𝙚𝙚. The alignment tech said he can get everything figured out and get the camber dialed in and make it drive straight. So let's just hope that happens. I went and got some Dunkin' because now I have to wait. I made an appointment, but they were acting like I hadn't made an appointment, so I have to wait behind other cars when I got here on appointment time. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Bottom line is, apparently it's gonna get aligned today and it's gonna be a-okay. The tech was saying how he used to have E30s, E36s, E46s, but that's a blessing and a curse because he's really into the M3, so he's probably gonna beat the shit out of it. So I mean, whatever. Oh, there's shit on the lens too. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. If he can get it to drive straight, he can have a little fun with it, I guess. All right, so we've just made it out of the alignment shop. The tech was super cool. He basically said it drives good now. The toe was really fucked up. The caster is really bad. The rear camber was bad. He tried to adjust the rear trailing arm, or that bolt on the rear trailing arm. He said it was seized. That is the one that always gives me shit, so I'm glad he didn't really touch it. He tightened up tie rod ends because the right one was loose apparently, and that's my bad. So anyways, it's time to drive it home, and I'll report back to you on how it drives. Hopefully it drives better. But I'm just stoked to have an alignment so I can actually drive the car and enjoy it, because it rides good. So I'm hoping it drives good now. All right, here's a little update. The wheel shakes still, but that is only because, at least my guess is because these are 5 Series wheels that I'm currently running. So the Style 66 center bore is different because it's 4 or 5 Series. So I believe a center bore for an E36 is 72.4, and I don't know what the E39 center bore is that these wheels on the car came off of. But anyways, obviously there's too much play in between the hub and the wheel. So I'm assuming that's why there's wheel shake, because at lower speeds it doesn't really do it. I think that's what it is. I could be wrong. But when I'm not on the freeway, the wheel doesn't shake, thank God. And the alignment is really good, and I can finally drive the car fast. So I'm very stoked on that. I'm gonna get home and catch up with you guys there. All right, so I realize the lighting is shitty, but because the Canon 80D sucks in low light. It's not that low light in here. Anyways, I didn't pick up the video from where I last left off, but I ordered some hub-centric rings so that my wheels would fit properly without like an oblong rotation. So I was right about that. I ordered some rings, they just showed up. So I will be throwing those on the car, not today because it's rainy out. I will be doing a steering wheel install in the next video. As soon as I exit this video out, I'm gonna start that install, so you guys should see that very soon. But let's go over my alignment measurements really quick before I close out this video. Alright, so as you can see, here is the previous. As you can see, it was definitely messed up. It was not good. So he fixed the toe, matched the camber up to the front here. So we still have a negative 3.1 in the rear for camber. The toe is about the same on either side. And then 3.6 and 3.5 in the front. I don't know why. It's like 0.1 degree off, but it's not a big deal. And the caster is basically the same. Everything is matched up, so the car does drive straight now, so I'm very stoked about that. But this is just to show how messed up it was. I mean, it was really bad, so I'm just glad we got it sorted. I mean, so anyways, at the end of the day, I'm just stoked we got it done, because I didn't think I would be able to find a shop that was going to give me an alignment like that. And the tech was very cool. So if you guys are in the Sonoma County area and you're looking for a low car friendly place to give you an alignment, Les Schwab can get it for you. They were pretty chill, and it was only $100 to get the whole thing done. So I'm just stoked to have the alignment now, because I was able to actually beat on the car a little bit. But of course, now that that's done, there's a lot more that needs to be done. So we will be getting to that soon. But I did get a fun, very fun, cool mod. So the steering wheel video will be out after this one. You will see it installed. I got a Renown wheel, so that's all I'll tell you. I won't even preview it in this video. You'll just have to wait for the next one. But I'm very stoked to have that, and then we should get a few more cosmetic things, but then we need to address belts, pulleys. I want to do the clutch fan, spark plugs, oil change, ignition coils, etc. Just general maintenance, so that will be in the oncoming bits. When we reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing how much money I have spent on my E36 M3, so if you guys want to see that, drop a comment down below. And follow the Instagram and follow the TikTok. I know TikTok is controversial, but hey man, I have a lot bigger following on TikTok after a few videos instead of, you know, doing this for a year or a couple years. And nothing has come from it aside from, you know, the small amount of people that have followed the channel, which I do appreciate. So thank you for the constant support. But if you want to keep up on the content, check out the Instagram, check out the TikTok, etc. But anyways, that's going to be it for this one. I know it was short, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.